So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, in the bottom middle, the magnifying glass icon, select it. Then once you're here, go to the top where it says search by name or symbol and start typing in Dogecoin. Once you see it, go ahead and select it, and then you're on this page right here. Once Dogecoin is selected, go to the bottom and press on the green buy button. Then once you're here, type in the amount that you wanted to buy. So if you wanted to do $10, you type in 10 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the transactions so you can see how much Dogecoin you're buying, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit to finalize the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.